Hey YouTube, I just want to let everyone know before you watch this video that it's just an impersonation. You know, I do not hate Asian people. I don't think Asian people sound like this. I'm not racist against Asian people. I love Asian people. Yeah, so all you haters out there that think I'm being racist or whatever, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, okay, fuck you. Oh, hello, my name is Mr. Chan. I'll tell you everything. Okay, I do YouTube videos now. Yeah, cause my friend here telling me I rant too much about things I see on the goddamn internet. Oh yes, about Takachinga. Anyway, I rant about the thing I see on TV and I think I see on YouTube. And yeah, I do it now for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. I love you long time. Saki $5. No, I am not a whore anymore. I am famous. I make a YouTube video for you. Thank you very. Okay, I tell you, this one time, I walking down street and this guy, he walked up to me. I don't know what he was, but he was crazy guy. He crazy. He goddamn crazy guy. I don't know what he name either, but he a crazy guy. So he walked up to me and he go like this. He go, hey you from China, right? You know Kung Fu, huh? I look at him, I was like, I am not a Chinese, I am Korean, you stupid asshole. And I smack at him and then I chop him on the neck like this. And I kill him. I kill him. And then I bury him in backyard. Oh, and for those of you that think that I do not know karate, I assure you. I see things on YouTube all the time. They confuse me. Like this one guy here ranting every day about things he does not like. Like things are like the restaurant, or like he go to Chinese restaurant and he order poo-poo platter and they give him cat. These are not true. They do not serve a cat in China. I know I'm from China, but I'm Korean. So don't tell me that bullshit. Okay, I am not like this shit. You don't talk shit about the fucking Chinese because the Chinese are good fucking people. Only I am not a Chinese, I am a Korean. So don't get confused me too. Okay, thank you very much.